always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
It has already been an eventful morning across southwest lower Michigan. Perhaps some of you awakened a little bit earlier than you would have liked for likely the last sleep-in morning of spring break for the kids and maybe some of the parents as well. Storm Track Live Radar has quieted down substantially in the last 30 to 45 minutes, but I still want to zoom in and show you where we have some moderate rainfall coming down from McBride's north to Edmore along M46. 6 Lakes, 66, moving north from there. A very wet drive this morning. Remus to Mecosta, and then even Big Rapids still looking at some light rainfall, but soon it'll be ending there. This batch of storms is going to be exiting the area within just minutes, and then we're going to see a bit of a break in the action. However, this pattern with rounds of showers and thunderstorms will continue with a frontal boundary very close to us here in southwest lower Michigan. With that being said, I think we'll see a break in the action for much of the rest of the morning and at least for several hours into the afternoon before this next batch moves in from the west and southwest, likely mid to late afternoon. Heaviest rain will be generally north and west of Grand Rapids into tonight. Then that rain moves east. Following it tomorrow morning, temps are going to start to fall. We'll start tomorrow around 50 degrees and be in the mid-30s by the dinner time hour with potentially a little bit of snow shower activity, and some light accumulations are possible here after the sun goes down tomorrow night. We'll have temperatures cooling into the 20s, and by the time you wake up Tuesday morning to go to work and school, we could be talking about not only some light accumulations but also some slippery road conditions. As far as the flooding threat goes, it's certainly a real threat that still exists as we head through the rest of today. In the green are the flood watches, in the white the flood warnings. Many of those go through later on this morning. Really deal with all the rain that fell yesterday. 2 to 3 inch amounts were common in the county shaded in white. A few 4-inch amounts, certainly a possibility when those numbers come in this morning. Again, that break in the action very much needed here through early afternoon. Temps across the area pretty close to 50 degrees in most areas, 61 in Kalamazoo, 60 in Coldwater. And here's the FUTURECAST. Starts at noon today. Notice in general a bit of a break. I can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. That continues as we head through much of the afternoon. By 6 p.m. though, the thunderstorm activity is building to the northwest. Heaviest rain there, Muskegon County northward along the lakeshore. By midnight, you start to notice this line progressing its way east, and that's as this front gets a kick to the east. Moderate rainfall still possible at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then as the colder air streams in, we're talking about the chance for some scattered snow showers, and you see the blue showing up at 5 p.m. Now here is a rainfall forecast. This goes along very nicely with that computer model that I just showed you. At noon today, very little has accumulated. In fact, through 5 p.m., things pretty quiet. But it's after the midnight time frame we start to look at some of those numbers. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible through tomorrow morning north and west of Grand Rapids. Amounts will be less as we head off to the southeast. The 8-day forecast shows the falling temps on Monday. Wake up reading in the 20s Tuesday morning. Quick rebound, though, in temps. Wednesday and Thursday actually look pretty good. Friday, some light rain showers. At this point, that next system does not look too strong. Mark that as a very good thing, because with the rain coming tonight through early tomorrow, we are going to be dealing with some flooding issues, the extent of which will likely be determined on how much rain falls tonight, but we will need a significant, prolonged period of dry weather to try to bring those river levels down.
Yep.